If your data set has a number and you like to apply a unit, try not to do this. This is too much work, tedious, and can lead to error. Let me show you another way to do this. First, select the cell that you want to add the unit to. Then you press Ctrl 1. A format cell window should appear. Click on number, click on customs, and on this type text box, you're going to type 0 space double quote PCS to indicate pieces and double quote to close it. And then click OK. As you can see, now the engineering unit or the units is available for you there. Now you can apply the units to all the rows. What you do is that you click on Format Painter and you select all the rows that you want to apply the unit to. As you can see, all the rows have units now. You can notice that at the bottom, there's no numbers. Now, this one has a unit there. If you start entering numbers, you can see that the units will follow on suit as well. The beauty of using this method is that at the end of the day, if you want to do a summation at the bottom here by pressing alternate equal and hit enter, you are able to do summation. If you manually typed it in, it is treated as a string and you cannot do manual calculation, or that particular cell will be ignored. So that's how I do or deal with whole numbers. Now, how do you work with numbers that has decimal places? This is how you do it. So I can see here, I've got at least 3 decimal places here. I want to preserve it. Select the cell that you want to add unit to. We're going to add kilogram in here. Press Ctrl 1. Format cell pop-up window will come up. Make sure again you are in number tab. Click on customs, and on this type here, you're going to type 0. We say 3 decimal places, 000 space double quote kg to indicate kilogram and double quote. You can see a sample of what it's going to look like here, and click on OK. Now this one has the unit now. Now to apply the units to all the rows, you're going to select this cell and click on Format Painter, and then you're going to drag the next row below it and drag it all the way down to the very bottom here, like that. As you can see, all of them has kilogram as well. And again, like his cousin here on the side, if you type any numbers here like this, you can see that the units get automatically filled in. And likewise, I'm going to make this number a bit smaller. Likewise, if you go to the bottom, at the very bottom here, at the very bottom, if you want to do a total, press alternate equal, and you can still work with the summation and all the numbers are included in it.